Hello, I'm Laura. Welcome to this little talk about logistics. I am a university student, and this is a project for the subject of logistics and distribution. We will start talking about what logistics is. The key components of logistics have been fundamental elements of industrial and economic life. Logistics is the management of all activities that facilitates the movement and coordination of supply and demand in the creation of time and place utility. Logistic and supply chain structure. They could be thought of as the flow of material or product. Interrelevate at various points be periods when the material or product is stationary. This flow is usually some form of transport of the product. Stationary periods are usually for storage or to allow any change to occur in the product. Manufacturing, assembly, packaging, fractionation, etc. Here, we can see a small diagram in which can see the age of a step of supply chain, in which first are the supply who make bulk deliveries. Once we receive the deliveries, we make a variety of the raw materials and packaging we deliver to the product for the realization of the product. Of the product are finished, we will take them to a distribution warehouse in which we will be in charge of making deliveries to the premises and recharging our customers. In logistics planning, we can see the following three elements that are first, strategic, that will be long term and is the service to the customer distribution channels, supply points, product locations, configuration of deposits, type and numbers of deposits, locations and size of the tanks, choice of mode of transportation delivery for own account or third part stock levels. Second, operational, short to medium term operational and needs transport vehicle number, rental call tax, main routes, delivery, extended drivers, resource supports, facility storage, testing and distribution space, allocation, storage means, holding methods, type and numbers of forklift among others. Tactical, it be bulk storage, returnability of personal stock, update, complementation of documentary maintenance of vehicles, workshop of vehicles activity. This type of compensation analysis is an important part of logistic planning. For different levels of compensation can be identified. The first is with logistic components. This refers to the trade of to occurs within individual functions. Example, storage. Second, between logistic components are the components that occur between the different elements of logistics to reserve the packaging. Example above a company. Could be increase the strength and therefore cost of packaging would find great saving through improvements in product storage and storage. Third, between component function, this is part is where the trade-offs are made. For example, it is balance between optimizing production fund and the storage costs associated with storing the finishing product. Fourth, between the company and external organizations. There may be opportunities for compensation between two firms that are directly associated with each other. For example, a switch for manufactured products that are delivered directly to retail store to delivery through the retail distribution warehouse network could lead to more economical solution overall for the two companies. Logistic customer service element. 1. Pre-transaction element. 2. Transaction elements. 3. Post-transaction elements. 2. Conceptual models of the service quality. Basic service model. It is the match between what the customer expectations and what the customer experience. Extended service model. The provider must develop quality of service start, standards and specifications appropriate. This must be communicated and agreed with the clients. Okay, in this part, we will talk about the importance of customer service. The core product refers to the intent itself, the technical content, product features, air of use, style, and quality. Service elements, which may be referred to as the product environment, represent product ability, ease of ordering, speed of delivering, and after-sales support. However attractive the product is, it is essential that the elements of customer service are satisfactory and as well we'll see, logistics play a crucial role in providing good customer service. And in this diagram, we can see the seven rights of customer service, showing the main classification of services that are customer, time, place, condition, product, cost, and quality. Well, will be all. Thank you very much for your attention and see you soon.